Okay, working on a Nissan MCP 02A, yeah, whatever. But anyway, it has a K21 engine, and the symptom is a no start. Let me crank it out for you so you can hear. All right. So it kind of wants to start, but it couldn't go start. And so we key on. We got a couple of codes that comes up. It's E-27 and E-28. Okay, so E-27 and E-28. So we're concerned about the crankshaft position sensor and the camshaft position sensor. So conditions for it to turn on: crankshaft position sensor is not detected, or irregular signal. Also with the camshaft position sensor, and that's hard to freaking pronounce for me. All right. Basically the same thing. So off to the camshaft for now. Let's see and what signal we can get out of it. Okay, on the book for the camshaft, it's nice of Nissan to actually show you what it should look like. So this would be the expected signal coming out of that camshaft sensor. So 3, 4, 2, and 1. So basically I think what's happening here, it's the firing order. So 1, 3, 4, 2, and then back to 1 again. Alright, so we're going to be hooked up here, face number 2. So we can see right here, we took out the fan just to get some space off of it, and the belt as well. And this is the camshaft sensor. So I'm back probing it in the middle, which is, I think it's the green or the blue wire. But anyway, that's your signal wire. So we're going to look at it, crank it, and see what signal we get from it. Okay, let's focus you on the screen. Okay, Tony, crank it. Okay, keep on cranking. Okay, so zoom in on this, see what it looks like. Okay, that's irregular right now. So right here, that's a good signal. That's 4, 2, 1, and then it gets choppy over here, and this is just a bad signal. And this is the camshaft. Alright, so what do we do next? Are we going to have a problem with the power supply and the ground? I don't think so. So to me right now, this is certainly looking like a camshaft, a defective camshaft sensor. Alright, so I'm going to bite the bullet on this, and we're going to replace the camshaft sensor and see what happens. This is the old camshaft sensor. We put in a new one, so we're going to measure now. Okay. This one. Okay, Tony, crank it again. Oh, this time it actually started. Look at that. Okay, grab some good signals off of it. Stop. Okay, kill it. Okay, let's zoom in on this. See what it looks like. Portion of it. There you go. So 1, 3, 4, 2, and then 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, and that is how that signal is supposed to look like. Okay, so why did we have a crankshaft sensor signal? Well, maybe because some other guy was testing it. He was taking up the sensors, connectors for it. That's possible. Alright, well, we know right now it's already started, and we see the proper signal. So the no start is from the camshaft position sensor being faulty. Alright, so what we're going to try to do right now is erase the codes and see if the codes come back up again. Okay, so as you can see, code E-28 is still there. What's funny on this is you can't read the codes, right? Read the codes. You get to respond. No codes are stored, but we know there is a code. Okay, but that's fine. Okay, let's try to erase the code. We know the code's still there. Okay, let's try to erase it. Erase code, enter, sure, yes. Okay, erasing code. Okay, code has been erased. It's done. Try cranking it now. Okay, running. Code's not present anymore. It's running now. Looking good. We don't want to run it too long because we know we don't have the alternator connected. We don't have the water pump connected. But we know it's going to start now. So that should be a fix for this truck.